In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download leads in Lusha. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to grab your file quickly and confidently. Start by heading to the Lusha dashboard and signing in if prompted. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and open All Contacts. This is where your saved leads live, and it's the best place to kick off any export because you can see the full list and confirm you're working with the right data. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the All Contacts option. Inside All Contacts, select the CRM option. This takes you into the export workflow designed to push leads directly into a connected system. You'll then choose contacts to make sure you're exporting people rather than companies. This small choice matters because the fields and mapping can differ between contacts and accounts. Next, choose platform. This is where you pick the specific CRM or sales platform you're using. You should see the integrations available to your account. Choose the one your team works in so the records land in the right place. If your platform is already connected, you'll be ready to proceed. If not, make sure that connection is set up outside this flow before you come back to export. When you're set, click Export to CRM. Lusha will package the selected contacts and send them to the platform you chose. Depending on your CRM settings, you may see new records created or existing ones updated. If your organization enforces deduplication, trust that process to keep your database clean. If you'd rather work offline or review everything in a spreadsheet first, you can instead click CSV. This creates a standard comma-separated file you can open in tools like Excel or Google Sheets, and it's a great option if you plan to do additional sorting or share a list for review before importing elsewhere. After you trigger the export, Lusha will generate the file and deliver it to your computer and your email. You can also find every export in your export history, which is useful if you need to re-download something later or confirm exactly when a batch was created. When you see the prompt, click Get the file to download it immediately. If you chose CRM export, look for confirmation in your platform and spot check a few records to ensure everything mapped as expected. That's it. Keep an eye on your export limits, verify you've selected the correct contacts and platform, and you'll have clean, ready-to-use lead lists every time.